Example 3, state whether the following list of numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, find the common difference D, and write 3 more terms. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. Answer. To justify whether the list of numbers are in AP or not, we should find the difference between the consecutive terms. So, let's find the difference between the consecutive terms in the sequence. A2 minus A1 equals 0.22 minus 0.2 equals 0.02, where A2 is the second term, and A1 is the first term. A3 minus A2 equals 0.222 minus 0.22 equals 0.002, where A3 is the third term, and A2 is the second term. A4 minus A3 equals 0.2222 minus 0.222 equals 0.0002, where A4 is the fourth term, and A3 is the third term. As the list of numbers does not have the same common difference, we can say the list is not an AP. Or, as A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Example 4, state whether the following list of numbers form an AP. If they form an AP, find the common difference D, and write 3 more terms. Root 3, root 12, root 27, root 48, root 75, and so on. Answer. The given list of numbers is root 3, root 12, root 27, root 48, and root 75. From the above list, the first term, A equals root 3. As we need to express each number in the list in terms of the first number, we are rewriting root 12 in terms of root 3 as root 12 equals root 4 into 3 equals root 4 into root 3 equals to root 3, since root 4 equals 2. Similarly, root 27, root 48, and root 75 can be rewritten in terms of root 3 as root 27 equals root 9 into 3 equals root 9 into root 3 equals 3 root 3, since root 9 equals 3. Root 48 equals root 16 into 3 equals root 16 into root 3 equals 4 root 3, since root 16 equals 4. Root 75 equals root 25 into 3 equals root 25 into root 3 equals 5 root 3, since root 25 equals 5. Now let's first find the difference between the terms in the sequence. A2 minus A1 equals root 12 minus root 3 equals to root 3 minus root 3 equals root 3, where A2 is the second term, and A1 is the first term. A3 minus A2 equals root 27 minus root 12 equals 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 equals root 3, where A3 is the third term, and A2 is the second term. A4 minus A3 equals root 48 minus root 27 equals 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3 equals root 3, where A4 is the fourth term, and A3 is the third term. A5 minus A4 equals root 75 minus root 48 equals 5 root 3 minus 4 root 3 equals root 3, where A5 is the fifth term, and A4 is the fourth term. As A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2 equals A4 minus A3 equals A5 minus A4 equals root 3. We can say that the list of numbers form an AP with common difference D equal to root 3. Now let's find the next 3 terms in the AP. The next 3 terms in the series will be 5 root 3 plus root 3 equals 6 root 3 equals square root of 36 into 3 equals root 108, since 6 square equals 36. 6 root 3 plus root 3 equals 7 root 3 equals square root of 49 into 3 equals root 147, since 7 square equals 49. 7 root 3 plus root 3 equals 8 root 3 equals square root of 64 into 3 equals root 192, since 8 square equals 64. The next three terms in the sequence are root 108, root 147 and root 192.